Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, today I am going to teach here one spray painting. How to draw this spray painting, I will say you step by step. Before you draw page border, after that write here topic name spray painting. After that I am drawing here draw this picture. After that what to do I will say you. Okay, if you like my this picture, beautiful picture, then you subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share also. Okay. Like this. After that like this here. Outside here like this. After that here. Like this way. Same here. Front side. Like this. After that right side here. Like this outline. Okay. After that what to do? This all part cut. Okay. I will show you. Like this. All part cut. Okay. After how to do spray, I will show you now. Which material need here? I will say you. Rub toothbrush. After that, mix the color butterfly. After that, poster color I am taking here. If you do not have poster color, then use watercolor. After that, water. After that, brush. Okay. First about take colors. Different type color take here. After that take brush and take color in this brush. After that like this spray. After that I am taking here different color again. I am taking a red color. Again I am taking a different color. like this our spray painting complete. When this dry, that time this open like this. Okay, like this beautiful spray painting our complete. If you like my this video, then subscribe my channel and share this my video. Okay, thank you.